Welcome to SpiceCandies. We're making Saar sticks. These are flexible, stretchable, you can play with these. Lots of fun. We're using organic jam. We're also using some corn syrup and sugar, and that is just plain fun for kids. I highly recommend it. You can roll these to form candies. Really nice. So let's get started. We're going to start with equal amounts of corn syrup and sugar. There we go. Whoops, forgot my spoon. Let me try and hold that. I want to get stretched. Get that thing. And it didn't spill a drop. Wow, nice. Midnight acrobatics. Alright, there we go. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Small burner on high heat. And there we go. I'm going to add a pre-weighed amount of jam. What do you think? Do we need the food coloring? I don't think so. And this is organic jam. There's nothing there except for strawberries and a little bit of sugar. Don't worry about the foam, just keep stirring. This is something caused by the jam. So every jam will make something else, and I'm going to experiment with a wide range of jams. I've already lowered the heat so we can actually avoid burning the bottom layer. We'll need to keep stirring for quite some time. Now I'm adding some starch. I'll set this aside and get some citric acid because I want these to be slightly sour. And this is starting already to harden as it cools off. I'm just going to pour it in the center. And there we go. Our citric acid. Let's let it cool off and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, it has hardened. Okay, let's shake off the excess. This is standard icing sugar, powdered sugar. And we're going to powder this as well. And you can spread it. Now, this is winter and it has cooled considerably, so it's not easy. I should have done it beforehand, but I was busy with other things. So if you do have the time, spend some time with your candy. I'm just kidding. Right. Put some icing sugar on the bottom side so it won't stick anymore. And let's roll it. Right, this is good enough for me. get some thin strips cut. Let me make sure your guys are still in the same field as I am. There we go. Bit more icing sugar. Make sure you coat the edges, the new edges, with sugar as well, or they will stick. And this candy will stick anyway over time. So if you don't want it to stick over time, there are several ways to do that. Let's take a box. Since I'm taking this to work, I'm going to overlay the bottom. Just spread a bunch of these over there, but no more than one layer worth. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this sheet of paper and I'm cutting it to rectangles. So what I need to do is place a layer that will separate between the layers. This way they don't stick. They have a non-stick surface in between. And lots of icing sugar, which I'll add in a minute. And this time nothing goes to waste. There is moisture in the candy, otherwise it wouldn't flex like that so easily. You can stretch it and play with it. Kids can have a lot of fun with these. One thing my kids love to do is stretch these a bit, like so, and then roll them. Like that. Like a small flower. And you can play with any variation you like. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And have a sweet day.